email? Have you noticed that most of the emails are not only texts? Nowadays, brands use well-designed and attractive templates. Let's take the example of Zomato. You might have seen Zomato send some funny and cute and cool and sometimes annoying emails. But we will all agree at one point that is those emails grab our attention very quickly. Actually, it is a new trend of email marketing. Now the days are gone when writing long paragraphs and emails used to be the new trend. If you're a business person and thinking of starting email marketing, let me tell you about some basics of email marketing. An attractive design is the most accessible medium to grab your audience's attention. While strong content is essential for every kind of marketing, even good content can fail to achieve outcomes if your email design isn't appealing. Therefore, you should begin email designing as soon as possible. Hey guys, my name is Astha from PaperVideo. In this video, I will teach you how to design email from scratch. Before we begin though, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Design emails for mobile. For successful email designing, you need to account for the types of devices people use to consume your emails when planning campaigns. For instance, research shows that the majority of emails are now read on mobile devices. That means your audience is essentially reading your emails on a small screen. Therefore, you need to make sure that your emails are optimized accordingly across both PC and mobile. You should always use short and catchy paragraphs for this small screen generation. You can additionally use illustrations and other media to break up the bottom. Have a single focus. Choose one section and make it the focal point of your email with attractive visuals. If you have too many clashing messages, your reader will get confused about what your email is actually about. Create clean layouts. When it comes to creating attractive emails, the layout is key. Your readers should not need to scroll here and there to read the whole email. The format should be clear and comprehensive. Add call to action. Email marketing is about getting results, and how do you get results? Make sure to add a call to action at the end of your email. Use signs like arrows or boxes to draw focus to the call to action. Use the right fonts. Your font should be attractive and readable. But what does attractive mean here? If you think using 3-4 fonts will make your email look good, you are wrong. Never use more than 2 fonts in the mail. Choose one font for your headlines and another for your body copy. And for body copy, stick to the basics like Arial, Times New Roman, Tahoma, Verdana, Courier, and Georgia. So, in conclusion, all I can say is, even if your content is incredible, if your email seems visually weird, people won't read it. If you want to see outcomes, you've got to prettify your email. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family, and colleagues. Share any tips that worked for you in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching.